Hello, madam. I think you are new to the school, and we will discuss how I will teach iupac name to the students. So, our portion is teaching of iupac names. So, we have to explain what is iupac first. So, we have to write it on the board iupac. We will ask the students what is iupac. Some students will say that, or some students will not say. Again, if they are saying also, we have to say again. International Union for Pure and Applied Chemistry. So why we are using that explanation also we have to give, because colloquial names we may use that will not be known by the students from other parts of our country or other parts of other countries also, other parts of our place or other parts of the country also. So we have to tell them iupac is scientific. If you are saying methane here, it is methane, and in America also it is methane, like that. If one carbon means methane, like that we have to say. In 10th standard we have taught them 1 to 10 names they will know clearly, like 1 carbon means meth, 2 carbon eth, 3 carbon prop, and 4 carbon bute, like that. Up to 10 they will know. So we have to write first, start from the simple numbers, like we will write like this. So we will ask them what is the name of the compound. They will say that if we are writing without any chlorine, bromine or any substituted group, they will say 2 carbon is there. So ethane, eth, and all are single bond, so it will be ethane, they will say. Suppose if there is 3 carbon with 1 chlorine, we have to ask them. So how will you give name? We have to start numbering from here 1, 2, 3, and backward also we have to write it. So 1, 2, 3. We have to tell them you have to start numbering from forward direction as well as backward direction, because lowest number to be given to the substituent, we have to record that lowest number to be given to the substituent. So which is substituent? Chlorine is the substituent here. So lowest number to be given. So you have to start from backward counting. So how will you give name to the compound? We have to ask them. They will tell 1 chloro prop, 3 carbon means prop, all single bond, so propane. And we have to insist them there must be some hyphen between this number and this word. That is very, very important. That is the first thing. Suppose if we are saying that 4 carbon atom means, how they will give name? They will count the number of carbon atom. Butane first they will say. Suppose if there is a double bond, again we have to tell them. So we have to ask them numbering. So they will write 1, 2, 3, 4, and from here also we have to start 1, 2, 3 and 4. So they will write from here, if you are counting 1, 2, 3, third carbon double bond is there. So bute, it will not be ane, and ane will be replaced by ene. We have to tell them ane will be replaced by ene, because there is a double bond. So how we will write? Bute 3 ene, right? And again backward counting if you are coming now, 1, 2, 3, 4. So where is the double bond? In first carbon atom. So we have to tell them butene 1, and there is no need to mention 1. If it is not mentioned also, it is understood that double bond is in that first carbon atom. So butene. So which is right? We have to ask them, and they will say that butene is right, because lowest number to be given to the double bond, right? The same way we have to give name to other compounds also. For example, if chlorine, bromine both are substituted in a group, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, here chlorine is substituted and here bromine is substituted. So we have to say them, we have to ask them to number. So they will start doing like that again. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 3 and 4, right? So they will start 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 in the first place. From here it is fourth place chlorine. From here it is first place chlorine. right? So they will start from 1, 2, 3, 4. But alphabetical order, bromine will come first. So 3 bromo, 3 hyphen bromo, comma 1 chloro, all single bond. So we have to give the name for that is butane. 3 bromo, 1 chloro, butane. They have to arrange in alphabetical order, right? So alkane means all single bond, right? Alkane minus 1 hydrogen atom. Alkane minus 1 hydrogen atom, it is called alkyl. Instead of that 1 hydrogen atom, some alcohol or ether, ketone, aldehyde, acid, any group may be substituted. So we have to tell them that priority should be given to the functional group. What is functional group? If OH is present, alkane, this E will be cut and E will be replaced by OL, alkanol. For example, if it is methane, how we have to ask them, how will you give name to this compound? So they will say methane, and instead of E, OL will be substituted. So methanol. So we have to give some examples also. If they say methane, methanol, then we can give the name to this. We can write and we can ask them to give name to the compound. They will count the number of carbon atom and they will say ethanol. Suppose here instead of this, here C, here OH is there. How they will count the number of carbon atom? Both the sides, say forward counting or backward counting, both 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. If either of the side, second place is coming to the functional group, so no need to worry about that. So prop, 2, propan. First we have to ask them, write propane. Then cut that E. You have to add OL. So propanol. And we have to mention the position of that alcohol 2. So propan 2-ol. Now they will get a clear idea how we have to give the name. Suppose you can add one more C here, and if you are asking them 1, 2, 3, from here third position will come. If you are coming from here, second position. So we have to ask them which one you will select. They will say that 2 is the lowest number, so we have to select 2. So butan, 2-ol. They will say like that. So this is the way we have to start teaching them the iupac names.